Hey everyone, so this is Jitendra from Software Circle, and we have started this platform for sharing the knowledge as we advocate free knowledge, free education. This is non-profit, non-commercial work that we have started. Here, anyone can come and learn new things. Anyone can come and share their knowledge. Here I am with more than 13 years of experience in various open source technologies, which includes Java, Spring, AWS, BI, business intelligence, security, SSO, databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, NoSQL, MongoDB Flavor, lots of things. So here, me and my friends, we have started this platform for everyone so that we can learn new things and share our knowledge and collaborate together. Thank you so much, and do like and subscribe the videos that we publish. Every week we will publish 2 or 3 videos that will be technical in nature, and you can refer that or share with your friends. And if you also want to participate on this channel, you can you can comment to us, you can write to us that you wanted to participate and share your knowledge on this platform. So thank you so much.